Incremental routines. So you have used Supermemo, you have inputted the password, but I want to share something. Perhaps you have a Supermemo in the regular place, like here. So what could happen is that you could have Supermemo in the C drive, right? C Supermemo, boom. Perhaps you want to move that because, especially with Supermemo 18, you can move it to whatever you want. You don't have to re-input your password. That's not in Supermemo 19. But just to let you know that if you do a backup, or how we will see later on, you use different computers, then what may happen is that you move it somewhere else. It's what I'm going to do now. So I will move it here, inside desktop and a dummy folder. So if I open Supermemo from here, it will work, but hey, I get this credits thing. It's because I have moved my collection. Supermemo doesn't recognize. So what I will need to do is file, installation, and input password once again, because I have moved it. So no worries if this happens that, oh wow, do I need to buy Supermemo once again? Do I need to get a different key? Not necessarily. If it's the same computer, just a different place within that computer. And just to let you know that it will recreate the binary and systems folder if you just move the executable file. Usually you will move everything with your collections. Okay, so now I just input the password, all copy and paste, and voila, solved. So from now on, if I want, I can use Supermemo from this exact location, because this location will be the same on the other computer, the precise location. Tiny detail, but good to know. See you incrementally.